All right, today we're going to talk about something that could totally flip the script on how we interact with and, pay for things online. We're talking about micropayments.
So let me just ask you a question, straight up. Take a second and actually think about it. You've got your streaming services, your newsletters, software tools. How many are you signed up for? 5? 8? Maybe more?
Yeah, if that number made you wince a little, you are definitely not alone. The average person is juggling about 12 different paid subscriptions. It's a real thing. They call it subscription fatigue. And man, it's a drain on our wallets and our focus.
But what if there was a totally different way to do things? Just imagine a web where, instead of some all-or-nothing monthly fee, you paid a tiny amount. We're talking fractions of a cent for just the article you want to read or the one video you want to see right in that moment.
Okay, so how do we actually make that happen? Well, let's dive into one of the potential solutions. It's a new open standard called the A402 protocol, and it's designed to make this whole pay-as-you-go internet a reality. So what is this thing, really? Well, A402 is an open standard. Think of it as a set of rules that anyone can use for making these tiny, instant online payments. The whole point is to let you unlock digital content and services on demand without getting locked into another recurring subscription. The way we're going to break this down is by using what the source material calls the ladder of opportunity. And honestly, it's a great way to think about it. It's a simple, 3-step framework that shows how pretty much anyone can start using this. We'll start with the easy stuff, then move to building brand new things, and finish with the massive, big picture vision.
First up, Tier 1, simple integrations. And this is the really cool part. You don't need to be a coding wizard to get started here. Seriously, we're talking about adding micropayments to a site you already have in like 5 minutes. So let's start with all you creators out there. The bloggers, the artists, anyone who's using one of those popular website builders. Now get this. The amazing thing here is just how simple it is. If your website is on Squarespace or Wix, or even if you use Notion, you can add an A42 paywall by just copying and pasting a single line of code. It's called an iframe embed. That's it. In about 5 minutes, you can be selling access to a single piece of content.
Okay, but what about the developers in the room? The people working with modern web frameworks? Well, A42 has you covered too.
If you're building with something like React or Next.js, it's pretty much just as easy. You pop one command into your terminal and boom, you've got ready-made components to start gating your content. The setup is just as quick, getting you from zero to paid content in no time. So that's the easy stuff. Let's climb up to the next level, Tier 2. This is where things get really interesting. This isn't just about sticking a paywall on your blog. This is about building completely new kinds of businesses powered by these tiny payments.
Okay, let's take online writing. The old way, right? You go on a platform like Substack, people pay a monthly subscription, and the platform takes a pretty big cut, like 10%. The A402 way lets a writer charge, say, 5 cents for one article. And because it's a decentralized protocol, there's no central company taking a slice. The protocol fee is 0. The creator keeps basically all of it.
And it's not just for writers, this works for software too. Instead of paying $10 a month for some tool you might only use once, imagine paying a fraction of a cent each time you actually do something with it. The key here is users only pay for the value they're actually getting. It totally gets rid of that feeling of paying for something you're not even using.
And you can just see how this idea starts to spread, right? Imagine paying per lesson instead of for a whole course. Or paying per view, not for a whole month of video streaming. Or think about gaming, instant tiny in-game purchases without the 30% App Store fee. The possibilities here are just huge.
All right, now we're at the top of the ladder, Tier 3. This is the big, long-term vision. And with the explosion of AI lately, it's a vision that's becoming more important than ever. This is about A402 becoming a core piece of how the internet works.
And to really get this, let me throw a pretty wild question at you. What if your software, your scripts, your AI agents, what if they could pay for their own tools and their own data with zero human help?
I mean, the source material just nails it with this quote. The goal is to enable AI agents to autonomously discover, pay for, and consume A402 gated resources. As AI gets more and more independent, it's going to need a way to pay for the data it uses and the services it calls on. This is like the missing puzzle piece.
And that right there is the end game. We're talking about a future where payments are just happening in the background all the time, automatically. No browser, no pop-ups asking for your credit card, just pure automated value exchange between machines. So we've climbed the whole ladder, right? From a simple 5-minute integration all the way to a fully automated economy. So the question really becomes, what would you do with a tool like this?
And this table just lays it all out, nice and simple. It doesn't matter if you have zero coding skills and just want to paste in that iframe, or if you're a super advanced developer who wants to build automated bots using a headless client, which is basically just a way for your code to talk to the network directly. There's an entry point for everyone.
So let's just end on this one big idea. For decades now, we've had an internet where information can flow almost frictionlessly, almost for free. Protocols like F42 ask a new question. What will you build? What will you create? What new things become possible when value can finally flow just as freely?